everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Netflix account's password. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser first. Soon after you do that, go to the search box and type in www.netflix.com. Now, press the enter on your keyboard. From the official website of Netflix, go and click on the sign in button at the upper right corner. Now, log into your account by entering your credentials, that is, your email or your phone number and your password. You can also enter the phone number by simply typing it in. Now, on the next field, go ahead and type in your password. Click on the show link at the right corner to reveal your password before moving on. Finally, click on sign in order to log into your account. And you'll be signed into your Netflix account just like that. In order to change your password, go and click on the human figure at the upper right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Account. From your account information page, click on the Change Password link. Now, enter the current password in the first text field. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password first. Once you're done, move on to the next field and type in your new password that you would want to change to. Confirm the new password by typing it again in the next text field. Make sure both of your passwords matches, and finally, click on Save. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Netflix account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.